Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we talk about all things interior design and home improvement. Today, we're diving into the world of curtain hooks. Did you know the right hook can completely transform the look and functionality of your curtains? Let us explore 8 different types of curtain hooks for perfect window dressing. Let us get started. Hook 1. Pinch pleat hooks. First up, we have pinch pleat hooks. These are designed for pleated curtains and give your windows a neat and tailored look. They're perfect for formal spaces like living rooms and dining rooms. Hook 2. S-hooks. S-hooks are simple and versatile. They're great for lightweight curtains or sheers and work best with rod pocket or eyelet curtains. Plus, they're super easy to use. Hook 3. Clip rings. If you love a casual, relaxed vibe, clip rings are the way to go. They clip directly to the fabric and slide effortlessly along the rod. No sewing required. Hook 4. Pin-on hooks. Pin-on hooks are a favorite for heavier drapes. They're sturdy and work beautifully with traverse rods for that smooth, gliding effect. Hook 5. Eyelet hooks. Eyelet hooks are made for curtains with grommets. These hooks slide right through the grommets and onto the rod, creating a modern, streamlined look. Hook 6. Track glider. Track gliders are ideal for spaces with ceiling-mounted tracks. They're perfect for creating a seamless, contemporary look, often used in minimalist or commercial designs. Hook 7. Pleater tape hooks. Pleater tape hooks work in tandem with pleater tape sewn onto the curtain. They let you adjust pleats to your liking and create a polished look for formal spaces. Hook 8. C-hooks. Finally, C-hooks are perfect for lightweight curtains or valances. They're small, discreet, and easy to attach, making them great for kitchens or cozy nooks. And that's it, 8 different types of curtain hooks to elevate your window dressing game. Each hook has its unique charm and purpose, so choose the one that best suits your curtains and style. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more interior design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.